Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. How are you? My name is Dedi Saputra. I was an automotive engineering student at Padang State University. At this moment, I will explain about a return system of the car. Okay, that phrase in a return system, in a negative air return system, the current flow from the positive terminal to the component bay of rest. The component is the adhere to the car body, which is airhead to be negative terminal of the battery. This type of circuit is called an return system. Any part in of it connected to the car body is said to be airhead. The strength of the current is measured in ampere. The pressure that driver is around the circuit is called voltage. Modern car have a 12-volt battery. Its capacity is measured in ampere per hour or 46 ampere per hour. Battery soon be able to drive a current 1 ampere for 5 56 hours or 2 ampere for 26 hours. If the battery voltage drops, less current flow and eventually there is not enough to make the component work. Current, voltage, and resistance. The extent to which a wire resistance the flow of current is called resistance and is measured in ohm. Thin wire conducts less easily than thick ones because there is less room for the electrons to travel through. The energy needed to pass current through a resistance is the transformed into heat. This can be useful, for example, in the very fine alignment of the light bulb which glow white. But however, a component with a high current consumption must not be connected using wires white air to hang or the wire will overhead below a fuse or burn out. The electrical unit of measure air interlets a pressure of 1 volt cause a current of 1 ampere to flow through a resistance of 1 ohm. Volt the difference by ohm equal ampere. For example, a light bulb with a resistance of 3 ohm in 12 volt system consistent 4 ampere. The means is must be connected using wire disc and now to carry 4 ampere comfortable. Often the power consumption of component will be stated in watts, which are found by multiplying amp and volt. The lamp in the example consumes 48 watts. Positive and negative polarity. Electricity flow from a battery in one direction only, and some component work only of if the flow drop then is the current direction. The expensive one way flow is clone polarity. On most car the negative battery terminal is adhered and positive on rest the electrical system. This is called a negative air system, and when buying an electrical accessory, a radio, for example, check this for a device suitable for your car system. Finding a radio with the incorrect polarity with the mic desired. But most car radio have external with switch for setting the polarity the switch of the car. Switch the connect setting before fighting short circuit and fuses. If the wrong switches were used or if wire become broken or disconnected, this can cause an additional short circuit which bypass the resistance of the component. The current in the wire will become the rolls high and melt the wire or cause a fire. The push box is often located in cluster of components as illustrated here. The box is so with the cover of the board. Again, this acceleration circuit have forces. The most common type of push is a short leg of the wire enclosed in a head from casing of the glass. The seats of the push wire is the tungsten can carry the normal current and the circuit without overheating and is rated in ampere. The sudden surge of high current in the short circuit makes the fuse wire melt or blow, breaking the circuit. When this happens, see if there is a short circuit or disconnection, they install a new fuse of the current ampere rating, or C checking and replacing fuses. There are many fuses. Its protection a small group of components so that on blow fuse does not shut down the whole system. Many of the fuse and the chrome together in a fuse box, but there may also be line fuses in the writing series and parallel circuit. A circuit usually includes more than one component. Surables in the lightning circuit in the matter where they are connected in series order of the other or parallel side by side. A headlamp bulb, for example, is designed to have degree of resistance so that consumers of certain current do glow normally, but there are at least two headlamps in the circuit. If they were connected in the series, electrical current will have to drop and have headlamp to get the order. The current will encounter the resistance switch and the double resistance will help the current so that the bulb will glow only feebly. Connecting the bulb in parallel means that electricity goes through its bulb only once. Some components must be connected in series. For example, the sender in the fuel tank varies in its resistance according the amount of fuel in the tank and send a small electrical current. The fuel go the component are connected in series that varying resistance in the sender will affect the position of the needle on the go ancillary circuit. The starter motor has on heavy cable directs from the battery. The ignition circuit functions the high tension includes the spark plug, and the charging system includes the generator with the recess the battery. All other circuits are challenge initially circuits. Most are wired through the ignition switch so that they work only when the ignition is switched head on. This present you accidentally leaving some switch on which might cause the battery to go flat. The side and tail light, however, which you may need to leave on when the car is parked, are always wired independently of the ignition switch. When fitting extra accessories such as rear window, heater weights, consumes heavy current, otherwise where it draw the ignition switch. Some auxiliary component and operates without the ignition turned on by turning the switch. The auxiliary version, a radio usually read through this switch so that it can be played with the engine off, wires and fine circuit. Okay, Thanks for watching my video. See you next time or see you next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.